What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today's video is all about the trucks, so it's gonna be very interesting to watch. And as always guys, thank you very much for your support, it's much appreciated. And also maybe if you have some ideas, let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, with that said, let's truck into this. Alrighty, let's see what the hell. What the heck is going on here? Desperate times requires desperate measures, I guess. The trucker is like, wobbly, look at him. It's like a snake. Whoa, we have a punchy one. Whoa, and he's binned it. And the shopkeeper down there is like, welcome, did someone order some ass whooping? Because someone here is gonna get a whole out of it. Anyways, meanwhile in Russia, yeah, it's business as usual there, so we're just gonna move on to, let's see where. Oh, this is in UK. Oh, is that a Jag? No, Jag, get out of there! Get out of there, save yourself! No! Whoa, that wasn't so bad, was it? He saved it nicely. I don't know why I'm talking like an Indian guy, but whatever. Moving on. Ooh. This one was special. It was like removing the bone from the fish in one move, you know. Oh, I must say, I am impressed. It was like that bottle flip challenge, you know what I mean? Whoa, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, the guy that day was like, yeah, all the trucks go there. And some say he's still stacking them up, you know. Oh man, come on, that was stupid. Is he blind, stupid, or both? I don't know, but that was a stupid move. Right, who needs 8 wheels when you will be just fine with 6? Or at least I hope it's 6. Maybe on the other side he's missing 2 more, who knows. Alright, this should be fun. Someone's gonna crash into that white truck and it will explode. Or maybe not. Oh, look at that guy on the left. Oh, look at him go! Whoa, 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 whoa! God damn! Oh my god, that was a good one. Something here is telling me that it's not gonna fit. No way. But let's see. Oh, he's going for it. Oh, never mind, mate. No worries. It was already messed up, so it's fine. Whoa! Oh no, that's fuel, that's bad. Oh, dearie me. Now everybody's like, I'ma head out. And that's a good idea, I guess. Well, at least there was no big explosion. That's something positive here. And I think they have enough time to get out. I don't know how much, but I think it will be enough. So, whoa! Fuck me upside down. What the hell? I thought this is not gonna happen. Oh, I just hope they all escaped. Alright, we are back in Russia. Oh shoot, they track gate, oh loosey goosey boy. And I don't know why I'm talking like that, because we're in Russia, but whatever. Just ignore that. Whoa. This was a biggie. Right, moving on. Easy does it, easy tiger. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh crap. And now the dashcam guy is like, oh, this is all I needed. A fuel, heat, and a big ass bulldozer. Whoa, would you look at that? That thing is higher than Snoop Dogg. Oh, that's not gone well, has it? Oh, bye-bye, wheel. Whoa, whoa, that was a surprise attack. That was aggressive. Who would have thought? You see, don't mess with the wheels, guys. They can ruin your life, literally. Whoa, what the... That was a bit unexpected, to say the least. I hope he's alright. This truck here is like, sneaky, sneaky. I'm gonna be out of here in no time. Oh no, you won't. Get over here. Well, I thought that truck is gonna hit something, but I was wrong, obviously. Oh, I wonder what brand that van is. Whoa. Mind the lawnmowers. They cut their grass, they're good, so keep that in mind next time. And as you can see, this truck has been through a lot. That's for sure. And he's not done yet. Look at that. 0 F's given. Some say he's still trucking. Oh, this is promising. This looks very, very promising. Whoa! Bye-bye, see you next time. He just bought himself one-way ticket to Destination F. You know where that is. Oh dearie me, that's a mess.
Oh my god.
It's nap time! That's how trucks are napping these days, apparently.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what we have here. Oh, nice indicator, bro. Turn right to go left. Oh, it's tipping over. Because you know what time is it? It's nap time! Yay! The indicator still works. Whoa, hell no! That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that's a Prius, fuck that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 100. What the? Stop already, for God's sake. That was enough distraction for one day. Oh, what is this? Oh, he's pissed. That's one man trucker. I'll tell you that, boy. Or maybe for some reason he hates cars. Who knows? Oh, it's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop, oopsie daisy. Well, in case you were wondering, that's how you turn on a police lights. Simple. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, sorry guys, I was sleeping and I don't know what happened and I hate you, so sorry for that. Oh, screw you, sign! God damn. That was close. For the dashcam guy, of course. For the truck, it's already a little bit too late, but damn. This looks safe to me. Timber! Bam! I don't even know what to say about this one. Moving on. Alrighty, let's see here. Whoa, that was close. What the hell? What? That was like a freaking Jackie Chan movie. Well, that was very amusing for everyone except that guy in a car, but whatever, let's move on. Don't do it, don't. Keep it together, bro, no. Oh no, it's too late. Damn. And on that note, ladies and gents, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And all that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.